Welcome back to some more modded Blade and Sorcery. Now, I know I've been gone for a minute or two, or possibly even 3, but I have a good reason. I'm finishing up my last bit of school, and I'm renovating a place that I'm going to be moving into in the next about 2 or 3 months. So I've been busy with that as of recent, so that is my excuse for the lack of uploads. But I have found something fun and interesting for more Blade and Sorcery. I know, it's awesome. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
All right, welcome back to some more Blade and Sorcery. I know it has been a while, but I've addressed why it's been taking me a while. But look, gun with bullet and gun shoot bullet. I'm gonna be seeing if Jedi can block bullets. That's essentially what I'm doing, because I found a gun pack mod, and I was only able to get the pistol because the other mods required another framework. So I just stuck with this, and I tried to get another map just to play on for this video, but I couldn't find any really good ones, except for one, but you couldn't fight enemies on it. But we're still gonna check it out, just because I find it really cool and how impressive it is somebody can scale up like a map from another game. But we'll get to that later. But let's get right into gun. Alright. Jedi, bring it on. Oh, there's one. Well, let's see if my theory holds up. Okay. They cannot handle the power of pure lead. Oh no. Oh, back away. Hold on. Let's see if I can hit one with a mag. No. Step away. And I think you can like pistol whip them really hard and they go flying. Oh, hi. Ooh. Ow. Well, they didn't go flying, but ow. Stop it. Oh no. Ammo, get in gun, fire, gun style. Safe to say, gun wins. Okay. If you ever find yourself in a predicament against somehow a space wizard with a laser sword, bring out the gat, the blick. Did that just reflect a lightsaber? Not only can it kill a Jedi with ease, it can also deflect a lightsaber. Now this is true technology right here. Okay. This is awesome. Now let's see, where is the other guy? There you are. Well, that is... Oh my gosh, that is... I'm just gonna... Come here. No, I want you... Fly away! Okay, let's take this vase and continue with our little science project. What are you doing? Oh, why? What are they doing? They squaring up? I mean, I'm down. What? Ammo, get in gun. Thank you. Oh, looks like no one's safe. I think it's just like a free-for-all. Oh no. Okay, but stressed. Sword. Lights. Why do I keep calling this a sword? Lightsaber. Oh no. Oh. Ooh, stab. Oh no. No ammo. Come back here, please. Thank you. Okay. Since there are a lot of them, I came prepared. I am the... Oh, that was... I love this thing. This is great. I'm probably gonna end up needing this, so this little dinky little thing might come in handy later, but for the time being, I'm gonna need this. Okay, that last move was absolutely awesome. I'm just gonna go back to this, because that's kind of the purpose of this video. Since our science experiment was explained, safe to say, yes, that lightsaber looks very cool. Like, I haven't seen it before. Oh, it's just Rey's lightsaber. Let's see if Gamorreans are impervious to bullets. That's the next test. I have an idea. I could dual wield pistols, but I wouldn't be able to reload. Even with armor on, they can't handle it. John Wick style. Come on. Oh no, I tried to do something cool, but it didn't work, so it's not cool. Ooh, no. Gun in gun. Oh no, the gun didn't do the thing it was supposed to do. Slow motion jump shot. Okay, now that was cool. I'm gonna try more of those, because that seemed really awesome. Slow motion, not jump, now jump shot. Shut up. Yeah, now you can see what I mean by you can... Ow, meanie. You can pistol whip people. Hold on, I'm gonna do it in slow-mo. What? What are you made out of? Why use bullets when you can use the gun itself? Get out of here. You know what? Okay, I have an idea. I'm out of ammo. You know what that means? No, you are supposed to go over the railing. You are just not working. You gotta work with me here, man. Primitive technology. Let me show you what 2,000 years of progress will get you. Bozo. Try and use primitive technology on me, I see. No, not in my presence. Oh, howdy, partner. I'm very curious, because, like... Ow. I missed. I don't want to talk about it. What? No, work. Ow, ow, ow. No, no, do not stop. Ow. What is happening? This is... Ow, no, stop it. That's not nice at all. You dingus, you wing nut. Dual sword and shield. This is not a sword. I mean, this is not a shield. No. Yes. There we go. Lamp. Not lamp vase. Get away from me, you scary. So that was that. That was this glorious piece of weaponry in action. And now we're going to go check out that other map that I talked about earlier. All right, welcome to Vice City from GTA 4. I don't know how I don't know if it was a group of people or one person managed to scale up this whole map, but I'm gonna see if I can fly around to get like a better angle. Like over there, that skyline you can see just right above this building right here. Keep falling. You can go to all of that. That is something that you can just completely explore. I'm bee-hopping. I learned how to bee-hop in Blade and Sorcery. But yeah, see what I mean? Like, let me go up to the edge right here. Almost fell off. Like, all of that is explorable. So this is crazy. I don't know how people do this, but kudos to them for being able to do something like this. Alright, so that was that map. And now we're just going to wrap up this video with one last round using this amazing weapon. Andy. They stand absolutely no chance. How are you alive? Get away from me. Oh no, back away, away you. There's a lot of them. But you know what that means when there are a lot of them. The funny, oh, you're not there. I mean, you are there. How did you there? Okay, let me... I am just unstoppable. Come here. Why are you just standing there? You're holding the axe I dropped earlier. Dummy. Oh, that was refreshing. But if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I do have a bunch of other VR games that I plan on checking out, or just other, I guess, Roblox videos, because, of course, the Roblox... What are you doing? Roblox video wasn't as well received as my other Blade and Sorcery videos, because that's what is mainly, like, I guess what gains traction on my channel, I guess. But I could plan on doing some more videos with friends. If you guys did enjoy that, let me know down in the comments, because they are more than happy to do another video again. And I can list all the VR games that I have up on the screen right now. And if you guys see any of them that you would want me to play or play again, like Gorn or VR Cooking Simulator, please let me know down in the comments. But if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.